live in front of all of you. So how are you all guys? काफी time हो गया. We have not met, and I am able to see all of you guys here. Just give me a moment. Let me refresh, ताकि मेरा chat चलना शुरू हो जाए with all of you. So are you all doing? All good, all great, all fantastic. How is everything going on? Do let me know. Let me start the live chat. So I'm able to see. Where is sir? So beta, are you all able to see me? Listen me properly. Are you all able to see me and listen me properly? Come on, tell me yes or no. Hi Rudraksh. What's up, buddy? All good, all great. Good afternoon, Suchi. How are you? All good, all great. चलो तो shall we start people? शुरू करें आज का सेशन without wasting any much for the time. Yeah. Okay. So here we go. Today we have to do coordinate geometry, and this coordinate geometry from the perspective. Wait a second, sorry, I forgot कि मेरे को camera on करना है. हाँ. So today we are going to discuss coordinate geometry, and that coordinate geometry from the perspective of basic mathematics. Okay, we have already discussed this chapter from the perspective of standard mathematics. Now in this basic mathematics, coordinate geometry, it's not very tough, it's easy one. So we will be just discussing the formulas because we will be just discussing the questions because formulas are almost done in standard mathematics and in Hindi channel, both way. Okay, so here we go people. First, for all of you, this is the first thing. So here what you have to do, that this is the basic section formula. So if there is a point A and there is a line AB which is being divided by a point P, then how will you find that point P? So that is from the formula mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and for y it is my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. How will you remember that? So this m gets multiplied to this side coordinate, means this ratio gets multiplied to this side, this ratio gets multiplied to this side. Okay, both of them get multiplied. So mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n divided by m plus n. So this is the formula. Fine. Chalo, if you all have understood this, so let's move on. Let's see the next thing. Midpoint formula. Now what you will do in the midpoint formula, so it is again very easy, because in midpoint formula you have to just assume that m and n both of them are 1. M and n both of them are 1. Why? Because you all know that if there is a line AB, so in this line AB this is a point P. This point P actually divides this line segment AB in the ratio 1:1. Yeah, this divides the line segment in the ratio 1:1 if it is a midpoint. So hence m and n value comes to be 1. Fine. So this is the formula. Now moving ahead, here is the first question people. So everyone, come on, start solving it. Question says, if the coordinates of a point A and B are this and this respectively, find the coordinates of the point P such that AP is equals to 3/7 times of AB. Means you have a point, you have a B point. This A is having -2 comma -2, and this B is having a coordinate 2 comma -4. So there is a point P on this line AB such that this part is 3 part of the total 7 parts of AB. This is what the question is saying. See here, AP is equals to 3/7 times of AB. 3/7 times of AB means what? That 3 part is AP and 7 part is AB. This means that remaining BP part is 4. This is 4th part, then only the entire part could be 7. This means that here 3:4 is the ratio. So here the value of m will be 3 and value of n is 4. क्या ये सबको समझ में आया? Did you all understand this? Come on, tell me yes or no. Did you all understand this? That m is 3 and n is 4. Okay, so you mean okay, so सबको समझ में आ गया? All of you understood that? Yup. Fine. That's great, fantastic. So if you all have understood, that's really great. Let's move on. So let's apply the formula. So the formula says x is equals to mx2. So this is m, this is 3, x2 is 2. So 3 into 2, this is mx2 plus n into x1 is minus 2, okay, divided by m plus n, 3 plus 4. So this is 3 2s are 6 and 4 2s are minus 8. So 6 minus 8 divided by 4 plus 3 7, and hence the answer is minus 2 by 7. क्या ये सबको समझ में आया? All of you understood that x is going to be minus 2 by 7. Similarly, you can find even y. So y, what would you find? So y is pretty simple. Y is again my2. So my2. So 3 into minus 4. 3 into minus 4. N y1, that is plus 4 into minus 2, divided by m plus n, that is 3 plus 4. So 3 into minus 4 is minus 12. 4 into minus 2 is minus 8. So hence you get minus 12 minus 8 divided by 3 plus 4, 7. And hence answer is minus 20 by 7. Minus 20 by 7. So what did you get finally? You got an answer minus 2 by 7 and minus 20 by 7. क्या ये सबको समझ में आया? All of you understood? Sir, there is a disturbance in the audio. So Anjali, so guys, are you finding any disturbance in the audio? Do let me know, yes or no. Anjali is saying that there is a disturbance in the audio. Is it like that? Please do let me know. Sir, who is playing piano? Anand, I don't know. So you know that this is means I have traveled to my hometown. So this, in my hometown, you can just assume that situations are not so conducive. So I'm not in my studio setup which I have at my place. So that's why थोड़ी बहुत दिक्कत तो आ सकती है. Fine. So I guess no one is getting any disturbance, Anjali. So buddy, please refresh. So it's only Anjali who is saying yes, no issues. So please refresh, Anjali. So now I guess it would be fine, isn't it? Chalo. Moving on. Here's the next question, people. So the next question says, points P, Q, R and S divide the line segment joining points A, B in 5 equal parts. 5 equal parts. This means what? That you have a point A and you have a point B. This is A, this is B. And you have been given the coordinates of A, which is 1, 2, and you have been given the coordinates of B, which is 6, 7. So this is divided into 5 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the 5. Okay, so we have not taken the distances in a appropriate fashion. Let me just rub it off. So don't assume this. This is your B. This is your B. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 equal parts. And which are all these points? So this is P, this is Q, this is R, this is S. Now the question says that we have to find the coordinates of P, Q and R. Now people, can you tell me how would you find the coordinate of P? Just tell me only about P. What would be the ratio? Can you just tell me what would be the ratio? So are you understanding that if I have to find P, P is one such line which is having one part here, AP is one part, and remaining PB is completely 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 equal parts. So we have got 1:4. This is the value of M and this is the value of N. Are you all understanding it? Yes or no? Jaldi batao. Sir, who made the beautiful art behind you? It's my young brother. Like he is very young, so he has made all these beautiful artwork on the wall. You know, small kids. Okay, fine. 1:4. Everyone is understanding. That's great. So 1:4 is the answer. So M:N is 1:4. Now you have to find the coordinates of P. So let us assume X, which is again MX2. So 1 into 6. 1 into 6 plus NX1. This is N and this is X1. So 4 into 1. Okay, MX2 plus NX1 and divided by M plus N. M plus N is 1 plus 4. So here you get 6 plus 4, 10 divided by 4 plus 1, 5. 10 by 5 is nothing but 2. Similarly, here you got Y, which is again MY2, 1 into 7, MY2 plus NY1, NY1. So 4 into 2 divided by M plus N, 1 plus 4. So 7 and 4 2s are 8. 7 plus 8 is nothing but 15. So 15 by 5 is answer is 3. So what we got? Answer is M plus N is 5. Yeah, I know that, but answer we got 2 and 3. So the first coordinate of P, the coordinate of P which we got is 2, 3. See here people, coordinate of 2 is 2, coordinate of P is 2, 3. Cool. Now I hope you all would have understood that in the same fashion you can even find Q also, where the ratio would be 2:3. Are you able to understand it? that for Q your ratio would be 2:3. See here, for Q similarly the ratio is 2:3, and similarly for R the ratio would be the same 3:2. See here, 3:2. So every time you have to just change the ratio and hence you get the answer. Did you all understand it? क्या ये सबको समझ में आ रहा है? Give me a yo-yo or thumbs up. Come on people, fast. Are you all understanding it? क्या ये सबको समझ में आ रहा है? सर इतने दिन बाद where is maths sprint X? So buddy, it is going to come Rashi most probably from tomorrow. So from tomorrow onwards you're going to have your maths sprint X. Okay. चलो सर प्लीज़ स्टार्ट NTSC प्रिपरेशन. ओके तनुजा अलसी. सर अभिषेक सर ने बोला था कि आपने सैलरी से मनी लेके हम सबको वेदांतु का स्वेटर खरीद के देंगे. अच्छा ऐसा है क्या? अंजलि बेटा तुम एक बार अभिषेक सर से पूछो ना कि अभिषेक सर, हर्ष सर ने बोला है कि आपकी सैलरी इतनी ज़्यादा है. अभिषेक सर आई एम टेलिंग द फैक्ट टू यू. तो समटाइम मीन्स अभिषेक सर गेट्स सो मच हाई सैलरी, इतनी ज़्यादा सैलरी है दैट वेन एवर ही पुट्स मीन्स टेक्स कैश आउट ऑफ ATM तो वो अपने पॉकेट में भर नहीं पाता. ऐसे भी तुमको पता होगा, यू ऑल माइट बी नोइंग दैट योर अभिषेक सर इज़ अ मतलब थोड़े मोटे हो गए हैं. तो योर अभिषेक सर इज़ अ थिक गाय, ही इज़ अ फैट गाय. तो वेन एवर ही टेक्स मनी आउट ऑफ द ATM एंड ही पुट्स इट इन हिज पॉकेट तो वो गिरने लगता है. तो दैट्स वाई वी ऑल द टीचर्स इन वेदांतु से हिम कि यार अभिषेक सर इतने पैसे लेके क्या करोगे. तो जो वो गिरते जाता है ना, ही नेवर पिक्स इट अप. तो जस्ट से हिम कि सर आप इतने जब पैसे हैं तो तुम सबको एक आईफोन ही दिला दें. मतलब मेरे को भी आज तक एक आईफोन नहीं दिलाया, मैंने मेरा आईफोन पुराना हो गया. तो एवरी टाइम आई से हिम कि यार अभिषेक सर एक आईफोन तो दिला दो. तो ही सेज कि जो गिर गया है सर उसी को इकट्ठा करके आईफोन खरीद लो. बट वो उतना होता नहीं है. तो आई सजेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू कि अभिषेक सर को बोलो कि सर आप इतने पैसे कमाते हो कि गिरता रहता है हमेशा, तो आप हम सबको आईफोन क्यों नहीं दिलाए. तो जस्ट यू शुड आस्क देम. ओके सर आप फ्रीज हो रहे हो. बेटा कुलदीप काफ़ी ठंडी है ना यहाँ पे, इसलिए मैं फ्रीज हो जा रहा हूँ बार बार. इतनी ज़्यादा ठंडी लग रही है कि मैं फ्रीज ही हो रहा हूँ. देखो मैंने कुछ स्वेटशर्ट वगैरह भी नहीं पहन रखा है. ओके आई एम अनएबल टू रियलाइज मी तो सर को पक्का बोलूँगी सर. ओके फाइन. चलो लेट्स मूव ऑन. हियर वी गो टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. So here's the next question. The next question says, find the coordinates of the midpoint of the line segment joining A and B. Okay, so we have to find the coordinates of the midpoint. Chalo. So people, here if we have to find the midpoint, so you know the midpoint formula, it's pretty simple. X is nothing but x1 plus x2 divided by 2. So that is 3 minus 5 divided by 2. Yeah, that is the midpoint formula. So minus 2 by 2, that is the answer -1. And y is again y1 plus y2 divided by 2, that is 0 plus 4 divided by 2. So 0 plus 4 divided by 2 is undoubtedly 2. So from here you got the midpoint as -1, 2. Did you all understand? For the first part you got the midpoint as -1, 2. Similarly for the second part क्या आएगा? Who can tell me? For the second part what will you get? Who can tell me that? बोर्ड कहाँ गया यार अरुणा. सो एक्चुअली आई एम ट्रैवलिंग, आई एम एट माई होम टाउन, इन माई होम टाउन, because my father had got a medical condition, so that's why I'm taking sessions from here. So whenever I go back to my hometown, so from there I'll be taking it on the board. So who can give me the answer of second one? jaldi se answer batao. Second one, -11 8 -11 plus 8 divided by 2 and -8 minus 2 divided by 2. So I guess did you all get the answer? अरे बेटा दूसरे वाले का बता दो. -11 plus 8 divided by 2, I guess that should be -3 by 2. Ashutosh, I don't think it's right. Jyeshtha has got it right. Only Jyeshtha and Kuldeep has got it right. Okay, Jyeshtha and Kuldeep, that's it. -3 by 2 and y is equals to -8 minus 2 divided by 2. So that is -10 by 2, which is -5. Okay, so Jyeshtha and Kuldeep, only 2 students got it right. बट आई एम हैप्पी कि कम से कम ये 2 बच्चे तो राइट लेकर आए, ज्येष्ठा एंड कुलदीप. सो वेरी गुड गाइज, कीप इट अप. कॉन्ग्रेट्स टू ऑल ऑफ यू. चलो मूविंग ऑन विद द नेक्स्ट. सो पीपल, नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Okay, so here we go to the next question. Acha, ye solution bhi dekh lo. So the first one it's minus 1 comma 2, and for the second one it's minus 3 by 2 comma minus 5. Okay, so we got the same answer. Now moving ahead, this is not over yet. So those who want to join us, who want to join Vedantu and gain 100% knowledge and a very good decent marks in your examination, so Vedantu is offering you Vedantu Pro Lite subscription. What you have to do in this subscription is very simple, that you have to go to a link which is given in the description box, vdnt.in/ytpro. Now what benefit will you get if you will go to this link? The benefit which you will go to this which you will get after going to this link, first of all, you will be able to enroll yourself into Pro Lite subscription course. Now what this Pro Lite subscription course is, here you get all the unlimited live classes. Like live classes are unlimited in number, so you can take any number of live sessions. You get doubt support, in class doubt support, and at the same time you get the support of crash course, revision courses. All of them are live right now. So right now it's the best time to start your revision process with Vedantu as well. Okay, so you can enroll yourself into Pro Lite. And the next best thing, which is the bestest kind of, that right now you don't have to pay the entire year fees. No, you can just take this session even by paying per month fees. So whatever used to be the entire year fees divided by 12 for 12 months, that is the fees for per month. So you can take these courses even in per month fees. You don't have to pay the entire month fee. Okay, so that is it. I hope you all got it. Chalo, if you all got it, so let's move on. Here's the next question, people. So the next question says, find the ratio in which the point this divides the join of A and B. Okay, so people, you have to understand that, say for example, here you have got a point AB, and here the A point is minus 4 comma 3 and the B point is 2 comma 8. So question is saying that you have got a point P which is m comma 6 and which is dividing this line segment AB in the ratio we don't know. Now we have to find this ratio. So whenever the question says that you have to find the ratio, always assume that unknown ratio as k:1. Don't assume it as m:n or anything else. No, never assume it like this. That will make your work really clumsy. So just assume k:1. Right here k:1. Now what do you have to do? mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. That is the formula what we have learned. But this time I'm not interested to apply the formula for x coordinate because x is unknown to us. So I am interested in applying the formula to y coordinate. That y is equals to my2, so k into 8, plus ny1, that is 1 into minus 4, divided by m plus n, that is k plus 1. Hence what we got 8k, and 1 into minus 4 is minus 4, and this k plus 1 will get multiplied here this side. So it will be 6k plus 6, because 6 times k plus 1, so 6k plus 6 equals to 8k minus 4. Here if you find it out, you will get k equals to 4. So what you got? You got k equals to 4. Means P is dividing this line segment AB in the ratio 4:1. What? 4:1. I hope you all got it. Did you? Come on people. 6 4 10. Very sorry. 6 plus 4 10. This is 5. Very sorry. Very sorry. This is 5. I'm very sorry. In the ratio 6. So this is 5. If you'll solve it further. I hope I have not done anything wrong. Yeah. 2k minus 4. Oh wait. Okay. Sorry. I have taken the wrong ratio. This is k into 8 and 1 into 3. Very sorry. 1 into 3. This is 3. Sorry people, sorry. I'm very sorry. Very sorry. I took the x1. So this is y. So you have to take it y. So 8k plus 3. I guess it is not 8k plus 4. It is 8k plus 3. You'll send this to this side. So finally what you get? You get 3:2. So the ratio is k ratio, if I'm not wrong, is 3:2 people. 2:3. Is it so? ऐसा है क्या? Guys, I am getting 3:2. Yeah, Ritu is right. It is 3:2, not 2:3, guys. It is 3:2. So once you get 3:2, now you can very easily find m ka value. What you will do? कुछ नहीं, you got the ratio 3:2. देखो ratio is 3:2 because it was k:1 and we got the value of k as 3/2. So 3/2 is to 1. This means nothing but 3:2. So we got 3:2. Once you got 3:2, now you can actually put the value in m for m. You can write m and you can write the ratio formula and you'll get the value of m. M is -2/5. Did you all understand? People just tell me yes or no. Did you all understand? क्या ये सबको समझ में आया? Come on, tell me yes or no. Or if you understood? Yeah, that's really great here. I'm really happy to know that you all understood. So it's pretty fantastic. Chalo, if you all understood, let's move on. And now I am interested to go on to the next question. So here we go. But before that, can I expect all of you to just hit the like button? Can I expect all of you to just hit the like button? Chalo, fine. Most of you have. Here's the next question. If three consecutive vertices of a parallelogram are A, B and C, find the fourth vertex. So it is again very easy. How? We'll make the parallelogram. Now you all know this is A, this is B, this is C and this is D. So if you join A to C, this is the first diagonal, and if you join B to D, this is the second diagonal. So both the diagonals are being intersected at a point, let's call it O. Do you know that they have a property that diagonals of a parallelogram do bisect each other? Diagonals of a parallelogram do bisect each other. Now say for example, this is 1, -2 and this is 5, 10. 5, 10. B is 3, 6. Okay. And D is, we don't know, let's call it X, Y. So first of all, can we find the coordinates of O using A and C, because O is the midpoint of AC? So if we can find 1 plus 5 divided by 2, that is 3, and -2 plus 10, which is 8, divided by 2, that is 4. So we have got 3, 4. We have got what? 3, 4. So 3, 4 is the coordinate of O. Now O can be used as the midpoint of BD also. So what you will do in BD? BD is nothing but x plus 3. BD is nothing but x plus 3 divided by 2. That is equals to 3. So here if you will solve it, you will get x equals to 3. And at the same time, if you will solve for y, y plus 6 divided by 2 is equals to 4. And hence you get y equals to 2. Did you all understand 3, 2? Absolutely great. Absolutely right. So how many of you got? Rudraksh got it. Only Rudraksh got it? No one else? Rishika, your answer is not right. Alamelu N. Buddy, I wish I could have helped you in your doubt, but right now here we can't take doubts. It's not possible to take doubts on YouTube. Fourth vertex is 3, 2. Absolutely right. Very good. So I'm happy that you all understood and you got the answer. Fine. Chalo, moving on to the next question. Here's the next question. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining points A and B is divided by x-axis. Now people, can you tell me the property of the point which lies on x-axis? Property of the point which lies on x-axis is very simple, that its y coordinate is always 0. Any point which lies on x-axis, its y coordinate is 0. So if a point which lies on x-axis, the coordinates of that point should be x, 0 if I don't know the x coordinate. Yeah, okay. So one thing is very important, the ratio of the line segment joining A and B. So we have a line segment A and B, and this A and B is being intersected by a line segment x-axis like this. So say for example, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Now question is saying that if this is y-axis and this is x-axis, they are being intersected by a point, say for example, this is P. Now this P is on x-axis, that is why its coordinate will be x, 0. So question is asking them, tell us that in which ratio this point P is dividing this AB. So again we have to find the ratio. So we know whenever we have to find the ratio, we'll always assume it as k is to 1. So what I'm going to do right now, that we'll say that this is k is to 1. And in this k is to 1, y is known to us because y is 0. Yeah. So I'll write 0 is equals to again my2. That is k into coordinates of B. Let me write it -2, 7. And coordinate of A is 3, -3. So I'll write k into y2. That is k into 7. And plus 1 into -3. 1 into -3 divided by m plus n, that is k plus 1. Again we'll do a cross multiplication if you send it to this side. So if you'll solve it, 0 equals to 7k minus 3, and hence you get k equals to 3:7. Absolutely right, people. You all got the right thing. Yeah. So k equals to 3:7. Once you got the value that ratio is 3:7, thereafter you can even find out the value of the point x, that x point which we were having. So that is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 comma 0. Did you all understand it? Come on, people, tell me yes or no. Did you all understand it? Yes or no? जल्दी जल्दी. हर्षानंद बाबा की जय. अच्छा बेटा, सर आप अपने होम से पढ़ा रहे हो ना? हाँ बिल्कुल सही बात बोल रही ऋषिका. मैं अभी अपने घर से पढ़ा रहा हूँ बेटा, क्योंकि मेरे पास यहाँ पे बोर्ड नहीं है एंड आई एम ट्रैवलिंग. मैं अपने होम टाउन आया हुआ हूँ, तो इसीलिए यहाँ पे आपको पियानो भी सुनाई दे रहा है कभी कभी, या फिर किचन की कुछ खटपट बिकॉज इट्स अ होम. ओके चलो, प्लीज टॉक इन हिंदी. Elish, I wish I could have talked in Hindi, buddy. But the fact is that this is an English channel, so there are many students right now here who do not understand Hindi. So that's why you'll have to conversate in English, buddy. Okay. Now, guys, this is again a same type of question, that midpoint of P line segment joining, midpoint of P of the line segment joining A and B lies on the line segment joining this and this. Find the ratio in which P divides CD. This is almost the same type of question, and hence I wish that this question should be solved by all of you as an homework. Will you do this? Come on, tell me yes or no. Will you do this or not? मजा आ रहा है. Very good, Anant. I'm happy कि मजा आ रहा है. That's important because मजा आना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. So will you solve this as homework? Come on, people, tell me yes or no. I want all of you to tell me कि solve करोगे. देखो ये इसका solution है. Once you solve this, जोक तो हिंदी में है. अच्छा साक्षी, okay, I'll try कि जोक मैं हिंदी में लगाऊं. ठीक है. Fine. So this is the solution. You all should take a snapshot of it. Once you solve that question, you should tally your answer from here. This is the final solution, that y is going to be 6. Okay. So this is the entire solution and you have to solve this. Fine. And yep, that was all for this session. So my lovely people, those who like the session, just hit the like button, yo. And those who wish to join Vedantu for their live sessions, they can actually take a Pro Lite subscription. And in this Pro Lite subscription, you will be getting everything, absolutely everything. Means you will be getting uninterrupted and fully unlimited live classes. You'll be getting quizzes. You'll be getting support of assignments, handwritten notes of teachers, doubt support, everything. So what do you have to do? There is a link. There must be a link given in the description box. That is vdnt.in/ytpro. Once you have to go to this link, once you go on this link, you will be able to see the courses, and then at the final time of the payment page, you have to use a coupon code, that is HPPRO. Just use this coupon code HPPRO. Using this coupon code, you will be getting high priced sessions, high priced courses at a further discounted price. So let me tell you, this 1 month course is of 2700 rupees, but if you apply this HPPRO coupon code, you will get it in 2159. Roughly 2100 or 2200, like that. So you'll get that discount. Okay, and so does for 3 month and 6 month subscription. So you have to use this coupon code and you will be putting all these values and you'll be going to this page. Fine. So that makes the one class per class cost pretty low as the packet of a Lay's chips, so you can enjoy that Lay's. Fine. So that was all, folks, and it was all for this session. It was really a wonderful session with you all. I must say that I really enjoyed it.